if you are interested in KodeKloud courses, then this is the best time for you to try it out, because right now you can get KodeKloud subscription at a discounted rate. 2025 New Year sale is going on, so you can get up to 50% discount for KodeKloud subscription plans. Of course, with the subscription, you can access all the courses in KodeKloud, and you'll get access to KodeKloud Engineer, which helps you in practical learning. And they have this role-based learning paths and domain-based learning paths, which will definitely help you. For example, if you have any one particular job role in your mind, for example, if you want to become a cloud engineer, they have a separate learning path for that, and it will guide you on full level to become a cloud engineer. And they have this domain-based learning paths. For example, if you want to master any one particular technology, then you can go with the learning paths given under domain-based section. So you can see here GCP, Azure, AWS, Docker, Cloud. So all these different things are available. So if you want to access all these learning paths, KodeKloud Engineer and courses, premium, standard, all the courses, then go for KodeKloud subscription plan. So the discount is available for all the KodeKloud subscription plans. So if you just want to try out their courses, standard courses, then you can go for KodeKloud standard plan. You can get 25% off. If you want to access whatever I said now, like the learning paths, courses, KodeKloud Engineer, everything, then you can go for KodeKloud Pro plan, which is available for 45% off. If you want full access to everything in KodeKloud learning platform, then go for KodeKloud AI plan, because you will get AI assistance for the labs, for the learning process, everything. And the best thing is KodeKloud AI have this multilingual AI option, which means you can learn whatever stuff you learn in KodeKloud in your own local language. So that is also possible with KodeKloud AI plan. So if you want, go for KodeKloud AI plan, in which you can get up to 50% discount. So I'll just leave this offer page link in description. So just come to this page and sign up for your account. If you already have account, just log into your account. Once you're logged in, just scroll down in this page and click on the plan which you want to take. If you want to go with KodeKloud AI plan, click on choose under that, and once the verification is done, you'll be directed to the checkout page, so you can get your subscription for KodeKloud at a discounted rate now. So do make use of this. If you want to get more details about online courses or offers that are running in online learning platforms, then do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out.